Assalamu alaikum and very good morning to all my dear students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Dear students, today in class 2 subject English grammar I am going to teach you chapter 9 verbs. Verbs means action words. So everyone, you will open your grammar book. Students, what is the meaning of verbs? verbs. Verbs. Verbs means action words. Action words means the word which show any action, that is called action words or verbs. Okay, let's see these pictures so that you can come to know about verb. Okay students, here pictures are given, right? So look at the pictures and read the words. You have to read the words which are written here. See, here in this picture, this boy is eating, right? So which one is action word here? Eats. Okay, ये boy जो खा रहा है उसको हम eats बोलते हैं, right? So ये जो word है eats, उसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Action words. Same here, this girl is drinking water. So here action word is drinks. Then this man is selling something. So action word is sells. Sells means कुछ चीज़ें जो बेचते हैं उसको बोलते हैं सेल्स, और जो बेच रहा होता है उसको सेल्समैन, राइट? नेक्स्ट वन, you can see in this picture this boy is crying, right? So action word is here cries. C-R-I-E-S, cries. This rabbit is running, right? So we can say runs. R-U-N-S, runs. This dog is barking, right? So which one is action word here? Barks. B-A-R-K-S, barks. Okay, now look at this picture. What is this sun doing? The sun is rising, right? So action word here is rises. R-I-S-E-S, rises, right? Next word here, flies. This bird is flying, right? So which word is here? F-L-I-E-S, flies. Okay, now let's read here what is written. The pictures show some action. Okay, here this picture shows some action. For example, the sun rises, the butterfly flies. So here rises and flies are action words. Okay, so they are called verbs. Okay students, so they are called verbs. So what is verb? The word which shows action, that is called verbs. Okay students, so I hope everyone you understood about verbs. Okay, now come to next page. Exercise 1 on page number 47. Fill in the blanks choosing words from the box given below. Students, here you can see in this box words are given, right? Words means action words, verbs. Which verbs are here? Sets, barks, crawls, flies, sells, hops, sells and roars. Okay, so you have to read this sentence, and according this sentence you have to choose correct action words. Let's see. A, the sun. So the sun sets. Okay, then the bird. So which one is correct action word here? The bird flies. Okay, next C, the rabbit. The rabbit hops. Then D, the bookseller. Bookseller sells. Next, the sheep. The sheep sails. F, the lion. The lion roars. The baby. The baby growls. And H, the dog barks. Right? So these are the action words. Now exercise 2. Underline the action words in the following sentences. Students, here sentences are given, so you have to underline the action words, right? One example is done for you. Let's see. A, I drink milk every day. So which one is action word here? Drink. D-R-I-N-K, drink. Next, B, my sister likes to read comics. So students, here which one is action words? Likes and read. So you will make underline here. Okay, next C, my uncle lives in Delhi. So here in this sentence, which one is action word? Lives. D, my mother works in a bank. Now in this sentence, which one is action words? Works. W-O-R-K-S, works. So you can underline here. Next, E, sheep eat leaves and grass. So in this sentence, this word eat, eat, action word, right? So you can underline here. F, the farmer grows crops. Now in this sentence, which one is action words? Grows. G-R-O-W-S, grows. So you can underline here. G, I play badminton every evening. Now in this sentence, which one is action word? Play. P-L-A-Y, play. And H, the hen lays eggs. So which one is action word here? Lays. L-A-Y-S, lays. So you can underline here. So students, what is action words? The word which shows action, that is called action words or verbs, right? So I hope everyone you understood about action words, right? Means verbs. Thank you. Have a nice day.